Hey everyone, let me take you inside two of Tabriz's most famous mosques, the Blue Mosque, known as the Turquoise of Islam, and the Jameh Mosque, a hidden gem filled with history. These mosques aren't just buildings, they are stories of art, faith, and resilience. Let's explore them together today. The Jameh Mosque of Tabriz has stood for over 1,000 years. It's a mix of old and the new. The original Seljuk brick designs blends beautifully with later Safaviya renovations. Pay attention to the prayer hall. Its simple but grand arcs were designed to amplify sound during prayers, make it both practical and elegant. This mosque is located in the heart of the traditional Tabriz Bazaar, and the architecture of this mosque is really magnificent. It was first built during the Seljukian dynasty, which was, I think, about 700 years ago. Something really funny happened. I don't know why whenever I start taking movie of myself, my friend was taking a movie of myself. I was talking about this mosque, and every people is just like, "What are you doing?" And it's really annoying. And there is some angry child here that it keeps stalking me. I don't know why, and it gives me angry looks whenever he passes me. And it's really interesting and annoying, just some of the job's difficulties, but it got more weird for me. این همه فرش اهدا میکنه رونالدو فرش ایرانیه 50 میلیاردی. This mosque was totally destroyed during the big earthquake which happened in Tabriz, and it was renewed after many years. And now it's a symbol of Persian architecture, and you can see all Persian rugs and carpets on the floors. They have the same color theme, and as you can see here, they are Qashqai and Persian carpet themes. One of the most remarkable features of the Jameh Mosque is its inscriptions. On the walls, you will find ancient Persian script alongside Arabic Quranic verses. This mix shows how Persian culture blended beautifully with Islamic traditions over centuries. I got really I see these magnificent places that uh, Iranian doesn't make it better. For example, look at the floor. They can uh, make this place more beautiful by using more Persian carpets because we have lots of them in our country, but they just use some ugly rocks like this, and it it really frustrates me. And look at how beautiful and magnificent this place is. I just showed you the person I was talking about, and do you know what? Why these kind of things happened? He was really angry, and he was just a child. But he passes by and he gives me these angry looks. What are you doing, idiot? And it's just funny. this beautiful mosque you can see here is famous for its name, Blue Mosque, and we call it in Persian Kaboud, Masjid Kaboud, and it's one of the most popular places in Tabriz, and I'm really curious about what it is look like in the inside of the mosque. I don't know if we are allowed to visit inside of the mosque, so let's see and going.
The Blue Mosque is famous for its deep blue tiles. But did you know its nickname, the turquoise of Islam, comes from the rare turquoise stone color that covers its walls? It's one of the only mosques in Iran to use this specific type of glazing, making it truly one of a kind.
I heard that this beautiful mosque was destroyed during the really creepy earthquake, and it really ruins this mosque. And if you can see here, you can see lots of affection of this earthquake, and they are rebuilding it. Once upon a time, this mosque was the main mosque in Tabriz, and it is the place that maybe the constitutional revolution has started from here. You know, we have two big revolutions in Iran. One of them is constitutional revolutions, and the other one was Islamic revolution, which we are now under the control of it. And this mosque was the main place that constitutional revolution gathered together and decided to change the dynasty. And that's interesting.
The Blue Mosque was built in the 15th century and it's famous for its stunning turquoise tiles. What makes it unique? The delicate floral patterns and verses from Quran carefully hand-carved into its walls. Did you know an earthquake in 1779 destroyed much of the mosque, but the entrance still has its original tiles from over 500 years ago?
It's so interesting for me that places like this and like mosques and holistic places that people used to came here to pray and do something like that has a really comfortable atmosphere, and you can see the positive energy which these places have. Like you enter a church or a mosque, it doesn't matter. There's no difference between them because of the people they used to came here and pray. They have a really positive and holistic um, atmosphere in them, and it's really calm and interesting.